Hey you guys, it's your girl Unity Bubs video. And today we're going to be doing gymnastics. Hashtag car tour. My mom in the car. So Desire is about to do, I was just doing flips. Desire is about to do a front flip and a back flip and a back being flip over. So watch her. Ready, steady, go. Front flip. Back flip. Do it again, because Harmony moved the camera from me. Okay. Okay, now it's my turn. So you guys, it's me. I gotta move it down. You guys, I am gonna do my gymnastics. So I got a big ball. It's a toy, but it's ball. I'm gonna do 4 things. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Boom. Boom, y'all. So you should do Harmony. Now I already know it. Go to our channel. Go 7-year-old girl. 7-year-old girl trying to 7-year-old girl singing. Go to 7-year-old girl singing How Could You Play Me? And that's me. She didn't even get you. Harmony Malay Gordon. Because y'all know it's me. This girl. Okay. Okay, guys. Start over. Okay, guys. Y'all know what I did. Brain. Girl, why would you say that about her? You know, she feel like a type of way. Man, she big though. I swear to God, she big. You is nasty. Look at her. Y'all, she is so nasty. That's the girl. That's the baby doll thing. Baby doll thing. Okay, guys. I'm about the way back here. So, competitive. Hold up, girls. Guys. So, I was up here, but then I went all the way back here. And then she was all the way up here, right there. So, I was like this. So, guys, I'm about to take you to my car. So, just wait. Ready? Y'all, it's very pretty. It's very pretty, y'all. So, it's a surprise for y'all. I'm not. Put pause. So you can see. Yeah, this is my mom in the car. Right here. And that's my old truck. So, yeah, I'm about to take you back to the backyard. You look good. So you guys, I really did do a good job with this video. I don't know if I did, but I don't know if I didn't. But that's my trampoline. That's my daddy's friend car. That's not his car. That's my daddy's friend car. He's just here. And I hope you guys like my pajamas. And you guys, I'm about to show you my laundry room. This is my washer. This is my dryer. This is tidy. All this stuff. And clothes that my daddy clothes. Are they dry? Or are they still wet? I might well take them out to stay dry. I ain't gonna leave it here overnight. And they're done. Let me turn it off. And you guys gotta empty this container right here. This is what came in my jar. I'll just do that. Just beat it There. Put that up on here. I'm holding it, supposed to be making it harder for me. My daddy clothes right here. Yeah, it's the larger room. It's still a little messy, but I'm sorry. Why would you do that? Look at her. She on the car, Desire. Why would you do that? You bad. Oh, my daddy's shirt dropped. God, sorry. My lot yard look like this. My mom and look at our neighbor's yard. Look at their yard. Their yard look worse. Their yard look worse than ours. And they broke our fence. They broke that fence. They just broke all the fence. And that's the little girl that go to school in the 2nd grade that wear that little scarf thing over her head. So guys, I'm about to go in the house. I will meet you. Yes. Let me put daddy clothes up. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. I did it. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna give you a good look at my new car. Mama, give it to me. Okay, hold on. I gotta get somebody daddy car because he's daddy truck. Homie, go get the keys for me. Yeah, no, we're not. Go get the keys. Man, my truck is broken, you guys. Let me show you how bad that looks. It is broken. Give me daddy keys.
He told me to do it.
He told me just now.
Oh, he just told me to get his keys and do it.
I locked it down.
You go right on that car. You go left.
Get in the car. What you mean, right? Yeah. Yo, here's the lady that moved outside. That house is scary. But you can see that it look pretty obvious. Scary. Did I give y'all a tour of my dad's car? Well, it used to be our car.
Good. No.
It smells so good in here.
Welcome back to home.
It smells like daddy in here. That smells good. That's what it smells. Okay. Okay, yeah, that was a tour of my daddy car. You lock the doors. We can see how you want it. Okay. Get out. Unlock it and lock it back because I'm not about to keep unlocking that door and locking it back. Get out. My room. The room is over there. I see that. So you didn't get the block, did you? Yeah. Well, what you unlock the door for? You didn't get his block. Princess.
I'm not just door because
Oh, Princess. No, I don't know.
You talking about his little headphone thingies?
Talking about his headphone thingies? I don't know what he's saying. Talking about. I'm just gonna bring him back. Where's that? What is this? This is a 1A thingy. Look at that rich rock, guys. That is so of the rich. That's my mom new gold. She paid a lot of money for that, guys. She paid $1,000 for that car. She paid $1,000. When I say 1,000, I mean 1,000. This was my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, hit that bell, like this video, comment down below my other channel video. Bye.